What's up everyone? Welcome back to my video. Today I will play this game called Don't Press the Button. Support edition. Fun play Easter egg. I'm playing this game with my little sister. Let me just read this first. I'm playing this game with my little sister in a public server. And it's gonna be really fun. Oh, we got eggs here. We gotta look for eggs. This is interesting, guys. Okay, we got another egg here. And another one. And when? And where? Okay, there's another one there. Lots of them, most of them are in the corner.
I already found 5.
I found 4 already.
6.
Okay, guys. Let's look for them. Okay. Oh! Okay. Let's see what will happen. No! I fell. Okay, I'm gonna trap this girl.
Oh no, oh no, I'm at the last layer.
Okay. I'll be staying here, guys, apparently. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! Last layer, guys! Okay, I fell! Bro, the music is so big. It's so loud. Okay, guys, we're back.
Money! Do you want money?
Score our goal to earn points.
Stop!
Bro, come on, come on, come on! Whoa, 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 Ronaldo, Ronaldo!
Yes! Yes!
Ha! No one scored a goal. Oh, that's sad. Okay, beep, 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 beep,
Do you
beep.
want money?
Building with light? Huh? Oh, I understand. Okay, I won. Okay, that was easy. You have 8 seconds to find the thing right. Okay, this is fun, guys. But you can be small. Sasuke. Can I hand this ball and get this man? Never mind. 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 second. Lights out. Okay, let's wait here. It's gonna take a long time. Your reward. Okay. Oh, button presser. I want to be the button presser. Stay on the raft and avoid the rocks.
Money, 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 money. Do you fall? Money, money.
No, I'll be just watching you guys here. A giant volcano, watch out. Oh no! Oh no!
Come right here.
I died!
Come right here. I already have a wall.
A wall? Where?
A wall.
Well.
A wall.
Where?
A white wall. Here.
Hello!
Oh, we're gonna be safe.
I don't think we're gonna miss it. They can get much from the top.
But at least we are kind of safe, right?
Where do you even get that?
Bye.
Where is it? Oh.
Wall.
What is happen? Hunt down the survivor then.
Where's the pumpkin?
Where are they? Bro, I got so lucky. Where are people? Bro, I sound like a dog. Monsters has died. Okay. Go to the end. Hey, this is easy, guys.
Yeah,
Just need to
easy.
follow.
What's here?
Now! That scared me.
Okay.
Bro, you don't need to jump. Okay, now what?
Okay, now let me make a wall so people don't go in.
Bukan dari situ ya, Tan. Wallnya. You're gonna make the wall here.
No, it's too big.
But it is so easy, guys.
Look at those walls. Come to the money pool. Come to the money pool.
Yay! Money! Money, money, green, green. Money's all I need. Eat money, money, green, green. Okay, I wanna be the button presser.
Reach the top.
Eh? Where do we reach the top from?
Oh.
Now I get it. Ah!
Put that here. Then here.
Oh no, I won't made it. Oh, never mind. But I think I'm the first one to reach the top.
No, I'm the first one. Look up.
Nah. I'm the first one. I'm more faster than you.
No.
See, you fell.
Uh,
Bro! Wait, I'm in the sky! I'm in the sky, Tanya! Tan! I'm in the sky flying. Help! Help!
You up there.
Help! Help! Okay, I fall off the edge. On your marks! Sit! Go!
So peaceful.
Yay!
I won the first place.
Well, where's that guy doing there? Girl doing there?
This a money pool. Money pool.
I'm gonna destroy it.
Money pool. Stop. This is a money pool.
Okay, I know. Look, I'm destroying it. Haja.
Pew 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 boom.
Oh, we went like boom.
Oh. Run.
Huh?
Oh, did you remember this?
Oh yeah, I remember this game.
Yo. So we eat speed.
Yeah, we eat the
Go to
seed.
different world.
Woo!
This game is so fun.
What do I have to run?
That's fine.
You went like jumping and then go down, shoo, and then we do some move, which is so cool.
Aww, I missed it.
Reach the end.
And
Where?
woohoo! Oh. And then
I died. I think no one will survive this one. It's like the hardest one.
Oh, I almost survived. Yo, I survived. wanna what?
Kan, coba gitu tanya. Kasih itu. Put wall here.
I have itu wall cooldown.
Coba make
I cannot make it like
bro.
money.
Nggak apa-apa. Bro, no one wants to finish it. Give me my coin.
Enter the castle.
Enter the castle. Okay.
Hey, you guys.
Ding ding ding. We're being so slow now.
We cannot jump.
Oh no, guys! I'm so close to falling. London Bridge is falling down.
Stop, stop, stop. Okay.
London Bridge is falling down. Falling down. Falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady. Yo, yo, yo. Let me reach it! Oh my god. Your money just made me fall.
And
Hiya. How dare you? Why are you doing a bombastic side eye to me?
yay, I win.
Yeah, you always won the game. No, no! Chill, guys. No! Come on, I wanna click the button. Be the first to press the button.
Ah! Yay!
No! That was so close. Okay. Get to the end. Oopsies. You're helping everyone. Sini nggak sih? Dang 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 dang. Wow! Bismillah, 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 bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh, yay. That was easy. L, 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 L.
Oh.
Sini, sini, sini. Watch out for spikes. Oh, it's like the, you know, the game. Break in. Break in store. Oh, Arush is here. Arush! You sure you're gonna be safe here?
There's no red thing.
Oh, that was so close.
We are cooking.
Alamaday, I put Lana.
The money was the seasoning, and those the bricks are rice.
Rice, the rice are purple. Alamaday, I just
Do
Alamaday.
you like?
Yeah.
Do you like my food?
No, amazing. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Because of you. Your food is making me die.
Look at this.
Oh. Hi.
What did you went to me?
You died.
Arush.
I'm gonna be the winner, guys. Yay! I won the game! Woo! Bro, you can't press the button. How are we gonna press the button? Then we can't press the button. Huh? Huh?
We literally say, huh?
Don't fall down in the lava. Where do we go?
I don't know. There is something behind us.
I love my day. I choose. Oosh. Bum 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 bum. Oh no 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 no. Whoosh whoosh. Oh my god, I'm feeling so cool, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, we can do this. Woo! Each time the boxes are gonna getting bigger. Gonna get bigger. Yay! Arush!
Kak, let's fight.
Don't get caught. No! 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 He got me. Taya, you were the first one to be the prisoner.
Arush, you go. Oh, Arush.
Nadia, Ajeng bomb. Ajeng bomb. Ajeng bomb. Bomb. Pew. Pew. Okay, this is the last round. Oh. What's going on? Okay, so I don't understand what this game is. Oh, Arush. Hi, guys. Oh, jump over the laser. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so apparently I died. So it means that
Arush. Aww.
it means that it has to be the time for me to grab the most amount of candy. Huh? How?
The small candy. Find the small candy.
I only got one.
Me too. Yummy candy. Is there any more candy?
I don't think so. Candy, where are you?
Yummy candy.
What are these?
Ooh, yum. Kakak belum.
Udah itu.
Belum.
Where is it? Where are the candies, guys? Oh,
Ada Abi.
we got candy. 6 candy. 7. Yay! I won the candy point and the candy game. Alright, everyone. This is so fun. This game is so fun. I really love playing this game, but I had to leave now because it's getting too late for me. Anyways, bye bye. See you in my next video. Ow.